In the last video, I showed you how to install the software. If you didn't watch that, please click on the link given in the description. In this video, I will show you how to create new project file in the PSpice. Also, how to import the library of components to PSpice. So let's get started. First, type Capture Light in the search bar. Then click on that to open it up. This video is very basic. Please note, also, I am doing this video for beginners. After opening software, now click on New Project. Now type any name. For this tutorial, I will write as test. Please note, choose PSpice Analog or Mixed AD. Then, choose the location where you want to save. I made the folder in the D drive. I will choose that location. Press OK. And click on Create a blank project. Wait until it loaded. This is the work page where all the circuits are built. First, import the library files. To import, click on Place Part icon. Then click on this rectangular icon called Add Library. There are many library fuel. Select on any file and press Ctrl+A. It will select all files. And press on Open button. Now press again on rectangular icon, and now select and open all these files. These are extra files that will help in choosing components. That's all. Now you type the name of component and build the circuit. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to be one of our subscriber.